Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you have woken up and you want to stretch your body, then this morning flow is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. Firstly, sit comfortable in any posture. Hands at the heart center, preferably eyes closed. Try to stay still and only focus on your inhalations as well as exhalations. As I say, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale even slowly. Inhale and exhale and gently open up your eyes, and from here hands over your head and try to grab alternative elbows using your palms. Hold it, and then with inhale give us gentle back bend, and with exhale you try to fold forward and look at the floor. Keep your hands intact throughout the practice. Again, inhale, hold it over here, and exhale over here. And then again, inhale, look back in the bend, and with exhale, you fold forward. You continue breathing while holding the pose. With a deeper inhale, sit up straight, and with exhale, you stretch it to the right, keeping the hands intact. Inhale again back to center. Exhale to your left. Inhale, exhale to right again. And then again inhale back to center. Exhale to your left. And with inhale, sit up straight, release the hands. Now take your right hand and support your left temple and try to stretch your left hand parallelly to your body. And now turn your neck to the right. Back to center. Now use the left hand to support your right temple and do the same to your left side with your neck. Now back to center. Now from here, get onto your fours, where your knees and hips are in a line and palms are and shoulders are in a line. Now you inhale, you lift your head up, and with exhale you curl your spine. Inhale, Marjari Asana. Exhale. You can keep your toes tucked in or out. Inhale and exhale. With inhale, you extend your right hand and left leg up, and with exhale, you squeeze at the belly. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and then you drop your right hand and take your left hand to the sideways, making half circle to both the sides from right to left. Use your finger toes to touch the ground on the either side. Back to center. Now inhale, you take your leg to the side for fire hydrant and then extend at the back to the sides. This will really help in flexing hip flexors. Now inhale, take your left hand and the right hand up in the air, and with exhale you squeeze at the belly. Inhale, and with exhale you drop your hand down and keep the right leg from right to left. Again, using finger toes, touch the ground to make big half circles to the sides. Now back to the center. Inhale to the side to the fire hydrant pose and back to the center. Now take a moment, extend your wrist, fingers and hands and feel the relaxation. Now stand on your knees to practice some back bend. Support your lower back. With inhale, you try to drop your shoulder and gently get into a back bend. Back to the center, release. Inhale again, release. And then from here, lie down on your belly over the yoga mat. Take your hands, extend the feet at the back, support your elbow and palms, keep them in a line and get into a back bend. Try to gauge at the heels on the both side. And then hold the pose. And then with inhale, you lift up and come down. This time you try to do little lower back bend. And once you feel ready, inhale, you go all the way up, keeping the shoulder blades relaxed. Exhale, come down. This time inhale, upward facing dog. Try to lift off from the yoga mat and hold the pose. Keep breathing. And then with exhale, release. Fold both the feet and then extend the left one. Take your right feet, hold it using both the hands and let it stretch. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. And then extend the right leg and now fold the left. Now take both of them together, hold it using both the hands, and then gradually try to grab the shin bones and lift up into bow pose. Hold it and continue breathing. Release. Inhale, lift up again. Hold the bow pose. And then with exhale, gradually come down. Now release both the legs. Relax over here. Now from here, very mindfully, get into a child pose. Extend hands in front of the body, lower down your hips, and take a moment. Sit comfortably in Vajrasana. And now from here, extend legs in front of the body. Grab the left big toe using right hand and extend and twist it to your left side. Keep breathing. Back to the center. Now right foot, big toe using the left hand. Hold it and twist it to the right. Breathe. Back to the center. Now fold your feet and sit up straight in Vajrasana. Keep both the knees together. Try to lower down your hips over your heels and try to stay still and continue breathing in Vajrasana. Hold your Vajrasana for as long as you want, up to 1 minute or even more if you are comfortable. Continue to breathe very nicely. Focus on your slower, longer exhalations. Now, whenever you feel ready, come out of the Vajrasana and lie down on your back. Your back should be facing the yoga mat and comfortably lie down. Try to keep your spine neutral over the yoga mat. Bend both the legs and with inhale you lift leg in 90-degree angle. Try to hold it from the back of the knee to support it and then bend it and lift up your head and hold it and feel the burn in your core. try to engage your core muscles and keep the legs, foot active. Release. Now inhale and you gently lift up your head again and hold the pose. Keep breathing. Feel the core and then with exhale release. Now bring both the feet down to the floor. Now with inhale lift up your hip. Keep your hands to the side or hold the toes if you have to. Keep breathing. Keep your hips up in the air and as long as you want, and whenever you feel ready with exhale bring it down. Inhale, lift up again and breathe and exhale, release. Now with inhale interlock your finger and try to go a little higher on the lift than the last two times, and with exhale release. Now we will be practicing halasana. For that, take both the legs way far to your head and try to support your lower back using your hand. With very gradual effect, try to lower down your feet touching the yoga mat. Bring all the weight in your shoulder, but do not put any unnecessary strain on your neck and shoulder. Give a good, nice support to your lower back if you have to. And if you feel confident enough, you can release the support and keep the hands to the sides of the yoga mat. And once you feel ready, bend one leg at a time and gently release the pose. Now fold your leg in Padmasana, lotus pose, or extend the legs straight. And with inhale, you lift up your head and drop the crown of your head and practice fish pose. Hold it for there and release. Now whenever you feel ready, extend both the legs to the side of your body, far away from the yoga mat. Take hands at the heart center or over your belly to feel your breath, to connect with your breath. Firstly, you inhale from your nose to chest and to belly, and then exhale from belly to chest, and then eventually from nose. You inhale and then exhale even slowly. You can keep hand wherever you want, or you can keep them away from your body. But idea here is to focus on breathing and completely surrender your physical body to rest, to feel relaxed and rejuvenated, whereas you stay alert with my instructions and your breathing pattern. Continue to breathe. Take nice breaths. And let your body feel relaxed at this moment. And whenever you feel ready, you stretch your body and sit up straight. Now here, you sit up straight, but still you can continue to keep your eyes closed and feel a couple of more breath in the same rhythm. You can also practice some breathing exercises here if you want to. And whenever you feel ready and you feel yourself, you can rub your palm and gather all the energy, or allow yourself to take a couple of more breath to feel present And tell yourself, thank you for showing up today for yourself and practicing this. If you have liked anything about this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.